Can you see those clouds in the distance? I went to bed last night, it was raining. I woke up this morning, it was raining. But if you look over on this side, sun's coming out. Sun's making an appearance today. Good morning. I'm at Disneyland today. I don't have a plan. I brought my rain jacket just in case. It rained the whole way over here. It rained. As soon as I got into the parking lot, it's almost like clouds just started getting blown away. Hopefully it's going to be a nice sunny day. Let's go in. I only have a few more days left to get popcorn for this special price for magic key holders. So I know today I'm probably going to get 3 or 4 popcorns just to get my fill. So let's go in. Let's go have a good day. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your
Have a great day.
Thank you.
I just love the cast members. They can see the excitement. They know the excitement of coming into the park, and they're there just to enhance that. I love it. Goofy's out and about this morning. We saw Chip and Dale too. Out here with the rain. The paws are gonna get soaked. There's Dale right over here, saying howdy do and taking pictures. How exciting for the little kids. Well, I get excited too, but how exciting for the little kids. They get to see the characters first thing as soon as they walk in. Kind of makes you want to just get up and... Okay, maybe just me. Spring has sprung in the park. We're getting ready for Easter. I think we only have like about 6 more weeks. Well, less than 6 weeks before Easter's here. So I guess this is going to be the centerpiece of Main Street as you look down. You see the castle way back there. Hey, it looks pretty. Stopped in Starbucks. Here's the new like bag of the week. It's kind of like a I don't know, nylon material there. If you could fold it up. You're never gonna guess how much this is. This is like shopping bag material, but it's like nylon. $30. $30. We've got things happening over here at Astro Orbiter. Got some painting done. They've got new fixtures up. It's quite exciting. It's been a while. You know, when you come to the park after a rainstorm, the benches are still wet. So I'll probably have to find my favorite trash can and have my morning snack. I'm meeting a friend of mine for lunch today at 12. So other than popcorn and my Starbucks that I got another vanilla chai with 2 extra pumps of vanilla. But I got an extra, I got a different snack this morning. See how wet my trash can is? In case you missed it, my name's right there. So I got a little something different. And it's warm. I didn't know they warmed it. They didn't ask if I wanted it warmed. I guess that's just how they do it. I got a coffee cake today. A friend of mine and I were talking about their coffee cake yesterday. Or not their coffee cake, but coffee cake in general. And I'm like, I'm gonna try that today. Oh yeah. Very cinnamony, very sugary. So good. I think today I want to go look at the progress of the Haunted Mansion new queue space. There's a spot there that you've seen in the past where you can kind of just stick the camera over. I don't want to be a nuisance, so if there's cast members by there, I don't want to put them in that position where they have to tell me something. So if there's nobody there, we'll take a peek over just to see where we are. And what else did I want to do? I wanted to look at Astro Orbiters, so we've got that update. Saw on, I think it was on Facebook that they're starting to make some progress towards that. So maybe that'll be ready by summertime, hopefully. That'd be great, right? All right, let me enjoy my snack, and then we'll catch up. Got my first magic key refill. There we go. So they have a designated area just for pin trading. There's 6 tables out here, just on this side of Frontierland. You can set up your books, your containers, whatever it is that you have, so that you can pin trade. There you go. I'm making friends today. I think I'm going to be making a lot of friends. Okay, one more. Oh, mine. Ooh. That was quick. Them big ones will get you. Sheesh. Aren't you guys supposed to be closer to the beach? Yeah, I think you are. God dang, these seagulls. I can't feed them because the seagulls are just mean. Waiting out here in front of Pirates. The queue line hasn't opened, so we have a few people waiting out front, waiting for the magical rope drop. Must be some sort of a malfunction or a reboot or something's going on. Maybe they're waiting for cast members. Who knows? Could be endless amounts of reasons why the attraction isn't open yet. Here's the concept art for the new gazebo area. You can see that the train station is behind and the popcorn cart. I'm going to assume that's a churro cart. It's going to be moved closer to where the train depot is. But this is what kind of fascinated me, was the gazebo that now faces Tiana's Place. The restaurant will now be able to be seen by those waiting in this area. And then just behind this wall here is where the line is going to be for the attraction of Haunted Mansion, the new queue. So this actually does tell you a lot of information. One thing I was wondering about, if they were going to take that tree out, or if they were going to take the tree in the back out. And I honestly thought that this was actually going to be the queue line, but I think it's going to be more of an open space, place to eat, place to sit and relax. And they're going to be taking part of the line for the Haunted Mansion. It looks like they're going to have like a water fountain type thing here, and I don't know if that's ghostly or if it's piratey there. It's hard to tell from the concept art. Here's the gazebo I'm talking about where they perform. It has ropes up It's always faced the restaurant area where the seating is. Back in the back is where you order beignets and mint juleps and what have you. Now it looks as if it's going to get redone, or there's going to be a new gazebo put up so that it faces out into the open area. And then the train depot will be, you know, right behind it. Mr. and Mrs. Duck. I think she's brooding, so he huddles over her as protection. How cute. Okay, so here's the look overhead. Obviously today is a rain day. No workers in there. But that's the update over there. Still quite a few months left to go. It's not supposed to open back up until August. And who knows, they may get that gazebo area done first before they get the queue line done. Who knows? Coming down to come take a look at the Mark Twain. New opening date on that is supposed to be March 20, no. New opening date on that is supposed to be February 24th. We're creeping up on that. I don't see any workers out there today, but it could be because of the rain. Might have them on other projects. Sure looks like it's good to go for me though, right? It's all pretty and shiny. Phantasmic. That's supposed to come back. That should be opening up in May. I believe it's May 24th. I'm ready for that. I can't wait. Hope it's just as amazing as it was before. It's 20 minutes after 9. Ride's been shut down since I've been here for 20 minutes. I walked over to the Haunted Mansion construction. Fed some ducks over there too. There was a lady duck and a male duck. They looked like they were foraging, so gave them a couple kernels. Now I'm walking back and still closed down. I wonder what's up. Or they're just keeping it down. This is always like the conspiracy theory. They're keeping it closed down to make lines go elsewhere, right? And then as those lines get huge, then they open up this ride to shift the crowds. I've heard that happens, but I don't know. I don't know how you would know. We found Aladdin. Over in Fantasyland, the Mad Hatter regrets that there are no tea parties today due to the rain, but they are cleaning off the platform. They're sweeping, they're drying, they're working up a sweat trying to get the rain drops to form a bigger puddle and whoosh them down the drain. We've even got a cast member over there with the vacuum trying to get the raindrops up. A lot of work goes into that. It'll be done in a minute. In a minute. Alice in Wonderland is closed due to inclement weather. And I believe that's because part of the ride comes out and over the top over here. They don't want them to be slipping and sliding. Safety. Safety first. You know what's not shut down? Popcorn. It's time for a refill. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
It's clean.
Find a trash can. It's my saying for the day. Let me find a trash can. I'm not all the way empty yet. Ooh, I'm wasting it. Ooh. Jeez. Popcorn down. All right, we got a full bucket again. Took off my rain jacket. Started to get a little stuffy. All right. Now we're good for traveling. We got a little snack. We're in for one more refill. My bucket's still full. I haven't even eaten the last one, but I did bring a Ziploc with me. There's no clowning around when it comes to popcorn. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
We get two popcorns. All the way up on that side popcorn. You know, Easter is approaching when they're making Easter eggs. That one there looks like it has a face on it, like a happy face. This one right here. 2 eyes and a nose, and then the mouth singing, woo! How's that? Woo! So from afar, I couldn't tell what this was. But when you look down here, no pun intended, it's the back end of the Easter bunny. So when you look up, you can see that it has pink on the paws for your Rice Krispie treat. And they have duck cake pops. This looks new to me. Not sure what it is. There's a sign on how much it is, but not a description. I don't know if it's marshmallow dipped in chocolate, white chocolate, but I don't know what the outside is. It looks like pistachio, but I don't know. I don't know what it is. Easter cupcakes. Look at that. Here's a sugar cookie, Mickey Mouse sugar cookie $5. Caramel apple, $7. This one says it's a new arrival. It looks Daisy Duckish with the yellow on it and the strip of caramel up on top. Okay, I went into the Emporium with no intention to buy anything, but yet there I am with a bag of stuff. I found a shirt for Pam, and I got a matching one just because, you know, we're besties like that. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and head out of the park. The last popcorn cart that I hit before I leave isn't open, and that's probably due to the rain today as well. Some of the carts are slow to open today because of the rain. So I think I'm gonna head on out. I'm wearing a ball cap today for a reason. I'm gonna go get my hair cut today. I think I'm gonna get like 4 or 5 inches cut off. Oh, we found Belle. Good morning, Belle. All right, until I circle back around. We'll see you soon. Bye. Thank you.